Hi, this is Lavanya. Here I am about an procedural versus declarative knowledge. First one, what is procedural knowledge? Describe how to solve problem. Next, it provides a direction on how to do something. Next one, it is also we call it as an imperative knowledge. Then procedural knowledge can be directly applied to a task. So in order to apply directly to a task, we need to include rules, strategies, and procedures. Next, declarative knowledge. It describes what is known about problem. Then it tells us fact, what things are. And it is also called as a descriptive knowledge. So in declarative knowledge, it will be include the concepts, facts, and the objects. The tabulation always give a clear difference between the procedural knowledge and the declarative knowledge. The first one, it is the procedural knowledge, also we known as an imperative knowledge, and declarative knowledge we also known as it is an descriptive knowledge. Second one, procedural knowledge means how a particular thing can be accomplished, while in declarative knowledge means basic knowledge about something. So second one, it will be shows how a particular thing can be accomplished, and basic knowledge of about something we need in the declarative knowledge. The third one, it is generally not used means it is not more popular. That is procedural knowledge. A declarative knowledge is more popular. The fourth one, it is a difference between procedural and declarative. It is procedural knowledge cannot be easily communicated, while declarative knowledge can be easily communicated. A fifth one, procedural knowledge is generally process oriented in nature. Declarative knowledge is data oriented in nature. So it is very clear that data is purely based on the declarative knowledge, and while the process is purely oriented on the procedural knowledge. A sixth one, it is the procedural knowledge debugging and validation is not easy. Declarative knowledge debugging and validation is easy. Procedural knowledge is less effective in competitive program. Declarative knowledge is more effective in competitive program. Here are the examples of the procedural knowledge, declarative knowledge. Procedural knowledge, it will be having procedures, rules, strategies, agendas, models. In declarative knowledge, concepts, objects, facts, propositions, assertion, semantic nets, logic, and descriptive models. Focuses on tasks that must be performed to reach a particular object or goal. The declarative knowledge refers to representation of objects and events, knowledge about facts and relationships. Last but not least, the difference between the procedural versus declarative knowledge about how to do something. Example, to determine if Peter or Robert is an older, the first find their ages. Knowledge about that something is true or false. Example, a car has 4 tires. Peter is older than Robert. So this will be the final conclusion between the procedural versus and the declarative knowledge. Thank you for the patient listening.